What's going on, guys? Nanu Garage here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why I love my Ford F-150 Raptor. So let's hit the road and let's get into it. This truck is honestly amazing, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about it. So this Raptor was actually very roomy, coming from the Shelby Gt350. In case you didn't know, I have a 2018 Shelby Gt350. This thing, for a truck this large, it does not feel that big. Navigating this thing through parking lots and its turning radius is so fantastic. But this thing, it's super comfortable. Say what's up. We got Crazy LA right up over here in the passenger seat. We're about to do some stuff. Got my PA system installed right over here. In case you guys did not see that video, also go check that out too. But I love this truck so much and how much room it has. Like, just sitting here, like, I have so much room. And this thing's also super capable on the off-roads from what I learned at Pismo Beach. All right, so I'm gonna hit this button right over here, turn off our auto start stop. Do you guys like auto start stop? It kind of annoys me because from the research there is on it, apparently it's only helpful. Hold up. So what better way is there to hit the on-ramp than do, ooh, woo! Oh yeah, that's the Raptor way right there, baby. Woo! So yeah, as I was saying, do you guys like auto start stop or not? Because according to the research that I've read on auto start stop, apparently it's only helpful if you're stopped for more than 10 seconds. So I find myself sometimes when I'm coming to a stop sign with multiple cars and I have to come to a complete stop, it's not the 10 seconds I'm waiting there. So let me know, what do you guys think of auto start stop? I always rock with it off, as you can see. The truck is pretty big, but after like a week of driving it, I'm literally completely used to its size, and it's so comfortable. You could get more comfortable trucks than this, but this thing honestly really satisfies me with its comfort and its off-road capability. I would say if someone's looking to get one, if you're not gonna off-road it, it's not worth it at all. But if you're gonna off-road this thing, you literally cannot go wrong. We're going like 70 miles per hour. The stance is so wide of the wheels on here, you do not feel body roll. I do not feel like this truck's gonna tip over at all, which is super great. The driver's confidence in here is really amazing. I used to have a Mercedes G63, a G-Wagon, and the G-Wagon, on every single little turn, you felt like that thing was about to topple over. That thing, it was just nuts going on any turns with it, but this feels fantastic, feels super wide, and on the off-roads, it gives you a lot of confidence. If you're not gonna like run into stuff all the time and try to like hoon it and have some fun, don't buy the truck, it's not for you. But if you're gonna use it how it's meant to be used, then I think it's definitely worth the money. It's definitely worth every single penny. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Yeah, you could daily it, yeah, you could drive it around and not off-road it. It still looks pretty cool, but once you take this thing on the off-roads and drive it how it's supposed to be driven, you'll have so much more respect for the truck and so much more respect for the Ford engineering and what they did with this vehicle. Huge shout out to Ford Performance, because they really did a fantastic job with these vehicles, and it's honestly mind-blowing what a stock truck can do out of the box. So definitely do check out that off-roading video. I am planning on going back to Pismo in the next few months and sending the truck even more, because that was kind of a moderate off-road session, and this truck can definitely see a lot more than what I did. And now on to the next thing, which will be the power with this truck. I think it is really good, the power in this truck. Some people are nuts and would love to have a Raptor R and stuff, but I think for the 450 horsepower that this car has and the 510 foot-pounds of torque, it is plenty for when you're driving around. This is obviously not meant to be like a fast straight line truck or anything like that, but it still moves pretty well in a straight line and stuff. Yeah, that Raptor R is going to be way more nuts, and the power boost option will be really cool because it won't be overwhelming while you're driving it on the off-roads and stuff. But this, for me right now, is absolutely perfect. So another thing is, I really do feel like the power is fine to me personally, but I have been thinking, like, what will this truck feel like with upgrades? So I will be meeting up with my friend who has a Gen 2 Raptor. We're gonna get a ride in his and put this truck up against his, and he is pushing around 500 wheel horsepower, he claims, with his upgrades. So we'll definitely go over all of his upgrades that he has done to his truck, because what he's done to the truck really interests me, and maybe I will do it to this too, because this is definitely a fun platform to modify, and hey, who doesn't love more horsepower, you know? So now if you work your way all the way towards the right under here where it says off-road, you can click on your Raptor status, and now you're able to see how many degrees your wheels are turning, where the power is going right over here. And then as you can see, you can also see if your vehicle's tilted, which way it's tilted and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. And then you also get your power distribution right over here. So it's all going to the rear wheels, but it's gonna show which wheel is getting more and which is getting less, left or right. So as you can see, the bar went completely full right over there. And as you can see, I got my shift lights right up over here with the ONZ Performance gauge. So hit up ONZ Performance _USA on Instagram to get one. These are super awesome. And it's kind of tucked away in this corner. It doesn't really get in the way or anything, but that's pretty cool. So back to this, the off-road functions are pretty cool. You have your hill descent and stuff, and your driving mode right over here with your steering mode too. And if you want to learn more about the modes that your Raptor has, make sure you guys click on the pop-up banner right up over here to see the modes that the Raptor has. There's many modes on here, and I go over all the modes and all the four-wheel drive selections in that video, so make sure you guys go check that out if you have a Ford Raptor and you don't know what all these functions do. Oh. And then going around this turn, like, we're hauling it right now and we're able to go around this turn. Like, it's nuts that you're able to do this in a truck, but it's so dang wide that you're able to turn pretty good on it. So now, as you may have been able to see, it cut a little bit of power right over there, but from what I've heard, if you turn this dial right over here and you put it into your 4A mode, it's gonna move a whole lot faster when you're trying to do a pull or a launch. Speaking of which, turn our TC off and put it in 4A, and we shall do a launch right up over here. So I just now realized towards the end that I was actually short shifting the truck right there. But man, not too bad for my first time ever trying it. That was pretty cool. If you guys want to see upgrades on the truck, I'll be happy to do upgrades. Just let me know down below in the comment section, and we're gonna get a ride with my friends and we're gonna see how wicked it is. So this brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. Make sure you guys all smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all of my content. We're on that road to 1,000 subscribers. I cannot wait until we get there and get monetized. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, leave a comment down below too, and let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. My name is Sahan Hayer, and I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video. Peace. Woo!